What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing some Nerf fights, and it's just me and my sister, and there's going to be 4 rounds. One's going to be there's going to be 1 practice round and 3 rounds. Every time you get shot, you're out, and the other person wins the round. Hopefully, this goes well. Alright, Matilda, you ready to be ready for the practice round?
Yeah. 3, 2.
You got to know how to cock your thing. It's a plane. It's somewhere in the sky. I think the camera can get it. Comment if you can't see it. Alright, so you'll be my eyesight. Do you have our own sight?
Better watch out, 'cause I'm a zoomer.
Go, go, go! Ah. You remember, this is only the practice round, you know. Sorry. Okay, practice round finished. Practice round finished.
Real round.
Alright, wait.
I got the
Well, Matilda, remember, you're going to have to give it back. 3, 2, 1. Where is it? Tell me, where did it land? Take your... Alright. 3 rounds starts in 3, 2, 1. Whoever gets shot loses, and the other person gets a point. I could just snipe you from... Okay. Toilet break for Matilda. So, yeah. So, I don't know what to do. I do have a slide. Maybe the swings. Yes. There we go. Swing. My face is covered in webs. No, let's not go to the watchtower. So, yeah, this is gonna be fun. So, I'd say this is gonna take like 10 minutes. The entire video. Still waiting on Matilda. Let's go somewhere. Can't forget my gun. Matilda's bullet. Doesn't hurt to be nice to my enemy before I absolutely destroy her. Damn it. Ah! That was absolute trash throw. Yay! Make sure to like and subscribe. So, still waiting. It's gonna take a little while. Oh, am I getting hot? I think I'm gonna have to take off my hat. Just gonna leave there. I gotta do something. Do you wanna see my fishies? Yeah. Matilda right here. Once Matilda's ready, we're gonna start round 3. Ready? Round 1 starts in 3, 2, 1. Start. Who's firing? Your bullet didn't even go through the gun. Go, go, go! Oh my gosh.
I surrender.
Alright, I have mercy. Let's go, guys. Comment who you think is the best team.
3, 2, 1, go.
Restart. Bruh. I'm just gonna fight. Oh my. No, that's my bullet. I've got. She's got my bullet. We have to leave, guys. Hang on.
3, 2, 1.
No, we're not starting any. No, don't shoot it up. Don't shoot it up. Don't shoot it up. Hands in the air where I can see him.
This is where we like.
This is going to be a little longer than I thought. 6 minutes already. That's a long time. Sorry. Got you. Got your foot. I saw it. No! Don't!
You didn't hit me.
Yeah, I did. That's 1 point for me.
No, you didn't.
1 point for me. Ding! Wait, no, the round hasn't started yet. Round starts in 3, 2.
Wait, I'm not ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait.
We're gonna snipe her.
Hey,
Sorry, I'm gonna have to do this.
stop.
Okay. No, be so rude. Ah!
Right.
Missed.
Hey. Ow.
Sorry, okay? You gotta be ready for the last round. Alright. If you hit me next round, you win, okay?
Oh, no.
Yeah, you will.
Wait.
Don't say that about yourself.
That's correct.
You're gonna win, okay?
I don't have another bullet.
Yeah, I know. I gave that to you. I have footage. No, that don't count. That don't count. You have to shoot it from your gun.
Where's my gun?
There. Over there.
It doesn't work.
Okay.
Oh my God.
B. Come on. The gun's right there.
There.
Here.
Remember one. I got that ammo.
I hate you. No, that don't count. It has to come out your gun, doesn't it, guys?
No, it doesn't.
Just cock the gun. All right.
Go.
Oh, you almost hit me. I'm gonna shoot you. I missed.
Oh,
You have to reload your gun.
where's my gun?
Your bullets are.
I'm full.
No, it's mine. I'm telling you, I will shoot.
Okay.
And I will. Thank you. All right. This.
Okay. Right, go.
Your aim is trash. It's over there somewhere, I think. The game's still going. The bullet didn't come out. Bruh. No!
I got
My camera's covered in grass! Oh, she did hit me! Okay. Game over. I win. Okay.
What does that mean?
I win. Bye guys. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.